Paano nga ba natin sagutan ang ganitong conditional equation given the quantity of 2 raised to square root of 7 over 2 raised to square root of 3 that also raised to square root of 7 plus square root of 3? Kung mapapansin natin nga, meron tayong base number na 2 at ang ating exponent ay may radical. Sa labas naman, meron pa tayong binomial exponent na meron ding radical. Ano ang gagawin natin dito? Pwede nating i-apply ang properties of exponent. Anong property ang gagamitin natin? Ito ay tinatawag nating power rule. Okay, power rule ang ating gagamitin. Wherein sa power rule, when x raised to m that also raised to n, that is equal to x raised to mn. Anong ginawa sa exponent? Minultiply lang natin ang exponent pero kinopya lang natin yung base x. Ganon din ang i-apply natin dito. Okay, sagutan na nga natin. Ito na nga yung ating given. 2 raised to square root of 7 over 2 raised to square root of 3 that also raised to square root of 7 plus square root of 3. Ayan, ano mangyayari? I-distribute muna natin yung exponent na square root of 7 sa labas na exponent. Square root of 7 plus square root of 3. Kung siya ay binomial, dinidistribute natin. Kapag i-multiply natin ang square root of 7 times square root of 7, ang sagot ay 7. Then copy the operation plus square root of 7 times square root of 3 is square root of 21. Sa baba naman, ganun din. I-distribute din natin. Square root of 3 times square root of 7 plus square root of 3. Multiply na natin. Square root of 3 times square root of 7. Ang sagot is square root of 21. Plus square root of 3 times square root of 3. Ang sagot 3. Tinatanggal lang natin yung radical. Okay, that is equal to, ituloy lang natin, 2 raised to 7. Kinopya lang natin yung exponent sa taas. Anong ginamit na nating property dito? Ginamit na natin ang quotient rule. Okay, ginamit na natin ang quotient rule. Ang quotient rule, copy the base, then subtract the exponent. Ngayon, yung exponent na 7 plus square root of 21 and square root of 21 plus 3 ay maminusin natin. Okay, gawin na nga natin. 2 raised to 7 plus square root of 21 minus the quantity of square root of 21 plus 3. Okay, then that is equal to 2 raised to, ano mangyayari? Bakit nagkaroon tayo ng 7 minus 3? Kasi yung square root of 21 positive, magkakaroon tayo sa labas ng negative square root of 21. Makakancel na yon, which is 0. Then, yung positive 3, pag na-multiply sa negative, magiging negative 3. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 2 raised to 7 minus 3. Then, pag sinimplify natin, 2 raised to 7 minus 3 is 4. Then, the exponential is 2 raised to 4. Ang sagot, 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Therefore, the final answer for this conditional equation is 16. Do not forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.